Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how logic gates work, and we will start with a NOT gate. I am using Logically, the demo version online. On the left panel you can see the logic gates here, the output controls and input controls. You can just drag whatever logic gates you want or whatever component you want to get from here and put it here on your work area. This is a NOT gate. The left terminal here is the input terminal, and on the right we have the output terminal. I will get this toggle switch as my input, and we can connect this terminal to this terminal by clicking this and drag it here. We can just click this like this if we want to turn it on, and click again to turn it off. And for the output component, I will choose light bulb here. Just drag it here and then click this terminal and drag it here. There you go. So we have the input component and the output component. You will notice that the wire becomes blue here when the switch here is off. When I turn it on, the output is off. When the switch is on, you will notice that this wire becomes color blue and this wire is off. Okay, and this bulb be turned off. That's how NOT gate works. It inverts the input. So whenever you have an input which is on or high, the output will become low or off. When the input is off, the output will become high or on. Okay, from here we can create a truth table. Therefore, we can have this table showing the input and output. When the input is 0, the output is 1, and when the input is 1, the output is 0. These two figures show this condition. When the input is 0, the output is 1, and when the input is 1, the output is 0. So that's it for a NOT gate. In the next video, I will show you how the other gates work, like AND gate and OR gate. Okay.